Hi guys, welcome back to The Astronaut where we take the science out of space. Today I've got a very huge topic, and this topic is gonna last for 7 days. And therefore, without any further ado, let's stick to the point and dive right in. Our today's topic and the topic for the next 7 days, the week, is about planets. We'll see about all the planets in 3-minute videos, and our today's topic is about the first planet from the sun, the rocky terrestrial planet, the planet with no moons. It is Mercury. Before starting anything, first let's rememorate what are planets. A planet is an astronomical body orbiting a star. It's massive enough to be round because of its gravity, but not massive enough to cause thermonuclear fusion. And like that, we have 8 planets in our solar system, and Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the sun takes 87 days, the shortest of all planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of all gods. We think it's the closest planet to the sun and therefore to be the hottest. No, it's not the hottest planet. Well, at least it should be the brightest. Well, it's not the brightest again. Well, what is the brightest and the hottest planet? Want to know? Stay tuned for the upcoming videos to know all of that. At least I think we can title it as the smallest planet. Well, that is right. Well, it is so hot. Really hot. But it's pretty cool. Not that cool. This cool. Okay, back to the topic. The side that faces the sun is hot. 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. And the far side is minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope that if you are in the center, you will be frostbitten and sunburnt at the same time. Mercury also has tidal locking, but not like Moon to Earth. Mercury's tidal locking with the Sun is 3/2, which is spin by orbit, meaning that it has only 3 days for every 2 years. Like every 2 times it rotates around the Sun, it rotates only 3 times around itself. After one orbit, Mercury has rotated 1.5 times. So, after 2 completed orbits, the same hemisphere is illuminated again. Well, did you know that the planet is one of the largest core compared to its planet? This shows Earth and its core, and this shows Mercury and its core. Whoa, the core is so big. Well, that is also a reason why Mercury is shrinking. Yes, in this planet, the core is cooling so rapidly. Therefore, if something cools down, it just shrinks. So, this planet is shrinking because of its huge core. Though the planet is only the size of United States, it's rapidly decreasing. Well, now we have a doubt. Does it have an atmosphere? Can we live there? Well, mostly not, because it has a very thin atmosphere, which is just the exosphere, and the extreme temperature. So, mostly not. I think Mercury was named after that god because he was the messenger and he was swift. He literally had wings on his foot. And Mercury is also swift. It just takes 88 days to go around the sun. Just 88 days. So that is all for today, and with another science topic, I'll see you in my next video. And if you felt that this video was interesting, hit the like button to show your motivation, subscribe to my channel and share to everyone so they get notified. Thank you and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Until that, Vijay signing off.